I got BTC and cold storage keys in my hand. No BlackRock, no Saylor, no custodian plan. Mint me some tBTC. Threshold got the code, lock it in Aave. Isolation mode, 355% rate, LTV at 40. Borrow day, pay rent, still HODL plenty. Volatility, I survived the crash. Self-custody stack, no liquidation flash.
Not your keys, not your coins, that's the golden rule. Sailor's dead trap.
Now we're breaking through. Borrow DeFi, keep the keys, let the stable coins flow. tBTC on Aave, watch your Bitcoin grow. 3% cost, 50% gain. Math don't lie. We're building the future, no custodian, no cry. Merchants sell the fiat, that's the old way. We spend USDC, BTC stays in play. No hyperinflation from our little loan. Central banks print trillions, we just HODL and own. Saylor says borrow at 1%, but who holds the key? Goldman, Fidelity, or the Fed in a spree? We say tBTC, self-custody, LTV low. Borrow to live, never sell, let the Bitcoin grow.
This ain't about leverage, it's about control.
Your Bitcoin, your rules, your financial soul. Borrow DeFi, keep the keys, let the stable coins flow. tBTC